Hey everyone, it's Tiffany Cherie, and today I'm going to be doing a fashion haul. So up to now, I have lost 80 pounds and I'm still going strong, which is amazing. In this haul today, you're gonna see a lot of items from Fashion Nova and Ross and Burlington Coat Factory. And I know that those places can be problematic. That being said, I have discovered a place called Uptown Cheapskate. Now, I'm not sponsored by any of these places, but I'll put the link to everything down below. Uptown Cheapskate is basically like a thrift store where you can take your clothes and they'll give you money for them. And if they don't want them, they'll donate them for you still, which I think is amazing. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this fashion haul. I'm pretty sure it's the first like try on fashion haul that I've ever done on this channel. So go ahead and leave me some love, like and subscribe if you want to see more. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. So this first piece is from Walmart, and it is something that I really wanted a dress that I could just throw on that was very kind of like athletic-y, like athleisure. If I could be in athleisure all day, like at work and everything, it would be amazing. As you can see, it's very long, which I like. It has pockets, which is amazing. Okay, so this next item I got was what I thought the first item would be. I bought this from Fashion Nova thinking that it would be an athletic dress that I could throw on and do my errands in. And while it is very cute and I like the material, I was not a fan of how short it was. So as you can see, it is quite short and there's a slit right here. So my fiance, Quintaris, was like, you could wear leggings under it, but that wasn't really what I wanted it for. Like I wanted to just like go out, just like throw it on and be like, okay, I'm just gonna go to the grocery store. And I don't feel like I could really do that. I feel like this would be cute to like go dancing in maybe, but I don't know. So this is an outfit that I got to work out in from Fashion Nova. So I do like that the mesh goes from the front and through to the back. I thought that was pretty cool. So I don't know if this is the most breathable item, but I do like the fact that it's extremely stretchy. That's something that I've noticed with most Fashion Nova items that I purchased. They're very stretchy, which means that I can wear them through multiple size changes, if that makes sense. Like when I'm larger and as I'm losing weight, they're going to like still hug my body and stick with me. So these pants are also from Fashion Nova and they have pockets, and the pockets have zippers, which is so amazing to me because not only can I carry stuff with me, but I know that when I do put stuff in my pocket, like I'm gonna zip it up and it'll be safe, like it's not gonna fall out anywhere. They have like different patterns going down. So the only thing that I don't like is the fact that it has drawstrings. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you might recognize this top. I got this from Uptown Cheapskate. It's a Nike workout top and I got it for $9, which was amazing. Like it still had the tags on it. I love that it has this like black panel here. And it's stretchy. I personally like working out with long sleeves at the gym, probably because I'm still a bit self-conscious about my arms. I'm learning to love my body again as I go through this journey, but what can I say? Like, I feel comfortable in long sleeves and I love it. I love this on the side. I think that's really cool. So these leggings are pretty cool. I got them from Ross. These pants have pockets, which is really amazing. I can fit like my whole phone in one pocket, keys in the other. Very stretchy. This next outfit I got 100% from Fashion Nova. I will say though that I have not been bold enough or brave enough to wear this crop top in public. Now these jeans I got in a 1X and they fit so comfortably. They're very stretchy, they have a lot of give, and I love that they're high-waisted. So they have pockets in the back, but none in the front. Yes, I know. I love you too. Okay, stop. So this blouse I got from Burlington Coat Factory and I really love the elasticity that it has. I don't know exactly what this like stretchiness is called. So this turtleneck I got from Burlington Coat Factory as well. Very inexpensive, very stretchy. I love it. I love pink. So this blouse is from Uptown Cheapskate and I absolutely love it. It's a Michael Kors blouse. still had the tag on it, but I grabbed it for like 10 or 11 bucks. I love this little metal piece here. Probably have to wear it with a different bra, but this blouse I got from Uptown Cheapskate. It was originally from Old Navy and I grabbed it for like 5 or 6 bucks. Amazing. This is what, again, I love pink, but the fact that it's like athletic and I can wear it to work out, I can wear it like anywhere. I pretty much wear it everywhere. Love that it has these holes. So I absolutely love it. I love the stretchy material. I love that it's very breathable. And I can't stop wearing it. So this dress I got from Ross. I think that I could have gotten away with a size smaller just with how billowy like the top part is. I love that it has this elastic waist though, and it has long sleeves and the length is actually really nice. So this is another dress that I picked up from Ross, and I think it actually is a size large, whereas the other dress was an extra large. Again, something that I have found that I really like while I'm transitioning with sizes. Like with the other dress, it has this elastic band that goes through for the waist, and again it has this like decorative string, but I don't know, I don't really fuck with that. So this one's a bit longer. Okay, so this whole outfit I got from Ross. It doesn't really fall in line with like the stretchy elastic material that I've kind of leaned towards for most of my clothes, whether they're workout clothes or clothes for the office or the weekend or whatever. However, I do feel like denim shirts, like they look okay if they're a bit oversized. So like I had a denim shirt that I wore for years and it just reached a point where it was like way, way, way too big. So I got this one and I figure I'll keep this one for quite a while. Stop it, knock it. I'm not telling you to jump. Okay. These jeans. He wants to go outside. Okay, these jeans, they're called the Tiffany jeans, which is like kind of cool, I guess. They are also from Ross, but I got them obviously not for work, just for the weekend. They got some holes in them, which is pretty cool. So that's it for my haul. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. He's such a cuddle pup. He's my wrinkly 90-pound baby.